Hi there, I'm Jennifer, your Get Set Up guide. I'm a registered nurse and have over 32 years of experience working in healthcare. My bet is that if you're watching this right now, your life has been touched either directly or indirectly by someone diagnosed with dementia. Maybe you yourself have been tasked with the challenging role as a primary caregiver for someone. The exciting thing about this class is that the cutting edge approach that you'll learn is easy to learn, easy to understand, easy to apply, and easy to pass on to someone else who can benefit from the information. Addressing dementia care from the perspective of maintained abilities as opposed to those that are lost is a game changer for everyone. Come join me and many others in my next class and learn how you too can conquer the challenges that come with caring for someone with dementia. Become a part of our lifelong learning community at Get Set Up. This is education you'll never forget.